Good evening, sir. Welcome to Green Garden Restaurant. Do you have a reservation? Good evening. No, I don't have a reservation. Is it possible to get a table for one? Of course. Let me check with the host. One moment, please. We have a lovely table near the window available. Please follow me. That would be perfect. Thank you. They walk to the table. Here you are. Your waiter will be with you shortly. Enjoy your evening. Thank you very much.
Good evening. Welcome to Green Garden. My name is Daniel, and I'll be taking care of you today. How are you this evening?
Good evening, Daniel. I'm doing quite well, thank you. This place is really beautiful. I've heard a lot about it from my colleagues.
Thank you so much. We're very proud of the atmosphere here. The interior was actually redesigned just a few months ago. Can I start you off with something to drink while you look over the menu?
Yes, that would be lovely. What kind of fresh juices do you have?
We have fresh orange juice, watermelon juice, mango juice, and a special seasonal blend, which today is pineapple and mint.
Ooh, the pineapple and mint sounds very refreshing. I'll start with that, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like it with ice or without?
With a little ice, please, not too much.
Of course. And here is your menu. Take as much time as you need. I'll be right back with your drink.
Thank you. The waiter returns with the drink.
Here is your pineapple and mint juice.
Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes? I think I'm ready, actually. I have a question first. I see grilled salmon on the menu. Is it a large portion?
It's a generous portion, yes. You get a whole salmon fillet with mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables on the side. Very filling.
That sounds wonderful. Is it spicy at all?
Not at all. It's lightly seasoned with lemon, garlic, and fresh herbs.
Very clean flavors.
However, if you enjoy a little heat, I can ask the chef to add a mild chili glaze on the side.
No, the original preparation sounds perfect. I'll have the grilled salmon.
Great choice. Would you also like a starter?
Yes, actually. What do you recommend?
Tonight's most popular starter is our tomato basil soup. It's creamy, made fresh daily, and served with a slice of garlic bread. We also have a Caesar salad and a mushroom bruschetta.
I'll go with the tomato basil soup. It sounds comforting.
Wonderful. And would you like any bread with your meal?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
Perfect. I'll put your order in right away. Your soup should be out in about 10 minutes.
No rush at all. Thank you, Daniel. 15 minutes later.
Here is your tomato basil soup and your garlic bread on the side. Be careful, the bowl is quite hot.
Oh, it smells amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I get you anything else right now?
I'm fine, thank you. The customer enjoys the soup. A while later, the waiter returns.
How was your soup?
Absolutely delicious. The best tomato soup I've ever had. The garlic bread was a wonderful addition.
I'm so glad to hear that. I'll let the chef know. Clears the bowl.
Your salmon will be ready in just a few minutes. Shortly after.
And here is your grilled salmon with mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables. I also brought you a small dish of our house lemon butter sauce on the side. It pairs beautifully with the salmon.
Oh, how thoughtful. This looks absolutely stunning. The presentation is lovely.
Thank you. We take great pride in how our dishes look as well as taste. Enjoy your meal. If you need anything at all, just wave and I'll come right over.
Perfect. Thank you so much. After the meal. Excuse me, Daniel?
Yes. How was everything?
Absolutely outstanding. The salmon was cooked to perfection. Not too dry, not too soft, and the mashed potatoes were incredibly creamy.
I'm thrilled to hear that. Can I interest you in a dessert? Tonight we have chocolate lava cake, vanilla panna cotta, and fresh fruit sorbet.
I'm quite full, but the chocolate lava cake sounds tempting.
It's served warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Very popular.
All right, you've convinced me. I'll have it.
Excellent. I'll bring it out shortly, after dessert.
That was incredible. Everything was perfect tonight. Could I please have the bill?
Of course. Brings the bill. Here you are. Your total this evening is $47.50. That includes the juice, the soup, the salmon, and the lava cake.
That's very reasonable for such wonderful food.
Here is $55. Thank you so much. Let me get your change.
Please keep the change. Tonight was worth every penny.
That is incredibly kind of you. Thank you very much. I'll pass your compliments to the chef.
Please do. I'll definitely be coming back. And I'll bring friends next time.
We would love that. Have a wonderful evening. Please come again soon.
Good night, Daniel.
Take care. Good night.